So guys, first method, right click to taskbar and then click task manager. Then you have to select the full screen and then find the file explorer. You just scroll down, so you right click, then restart. Then next guys, clean file explorer cache manually via command line. So click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator. Then enter command del space slash f space slash q space percentage app app data percentage backslash Microsoft Microsoft Windows recent. Okay, then closed. Then guys, next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Run as administrator, then click to yes. Then some command, so that is four command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. Then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, This four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.